Hazrat Abdullah bin Abi Mulaika radiyallahu anhu reports, some silk robes with gold button fastened to them were presented to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam distributed them amongst his companions and kept one of them for Makhrama bin Nawfal. He visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam accompanied with his son Miswar bin Makhrama. He stood by the door and asked to notify him of his presence. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam heard his voice and carried there towards him, and placing the robe before him said, O Abul Miswar, I have kept it for you. O Abul Miswar, I have kept it for you. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeated it, for he was a quick-tempered man. Hazrat Miswar bin Makhrama reports that those robes were presented to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Laith also corroborated him from Ibn Abi Mulaika. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3127.